Electrical power is essential to modern navigation. In the maritime environment, electrical equipment is subject to extreme conditions. Humidity, vibrations, temperature variations, and corrosion contribute to the occurrence of malfunctions. These unforeseen incidents are a major problem, as they lead to the failure of critical systems that compromise maneuverability, continuity of operations, and in the most serious cases, fire safety. ePredict Marine is a tropicalized and hardened technology designed to prevent these risks. Featuring high-precision sensors, artificial intelligence, and advanced algorithms, it continuously monitors the environment of electrical cabinets. In the event of a fault, the degradation of electrical equipment and cables generates specific, invisible gases and microparticles. ePredict detects and analyzes these physico-chemical signatures and identifies the beginnings of faults and fires before they occur. It alerts you in real time, up to several days before a malfunction becomes critical. Thanks to ePredict, you can anticipate breakdowns and guarantee predictive maintenance without exposure to risk. You secure your fleet, avoid high repair costs and operational losses, and ensure the continuity of your vessel's operations 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and in real time.